Okay, so the blizzards came, and we don't know what to do. And oh no! Ah! Day 2, they're still here, and we're hungry, and we need food, and they're sitting right there, and we don't know what to do. Help!
When preparing for a blizzard, be sure to stock up on things like canned food and bottled water, so whenever the power goes out, they won't spoil.
Okay, it's day 9. The blizzard's not letting up anytime soon. And we don't have any power, and it's really cold. And I'm just done with this.
With no heat and no power, you're going to get very cold, so you need several blankets.
Okay, it's day 12. And this is a really, really unfortunate time for us to be afraid of the dark. Because every night, it's just us here alone with these blizzards. And it's scary.
With no power, you still want to be able to see, so you will need candles and flashlights with extra batteries and extra lighters. You may also get bored, so you might want to play cards.
Okay guys, day 2486. We made it through the blizzard safe and sound thanks to all of our safety tips. And they left their cups here. How rude.